Hello, Morgan Nozer, and today what we got is today what we're going to be unboxing is the Work Studio 40 2-way professional loudspeaker. Now, they're not as big, obviously, but the box is the same size as the AWAs. They look like this in white, which I'm super excited for. They should be 4 inches, I suppose, because it's 40. But yeah, I don't necessarily, it's just a model number. But let's have a look on the side. Studio 40 line. 2-way plastic vented box design without. Oh, you can get it with and without the transformer. I got the transformer. Woofer's 165mm Mica cone rubber edge woofer, apparently. The tweeter's 25mm silk dome. Does that look like a silk dome to you guys? Think to me then, but hopefully I do add the silk dome because that's what I like. Frequency is 45 to 20 kilohertz, so 45 hertz is the deepest it can go. 8 ohms, which yeah. Power is 50 to 80 watts max. Sensitivity is 89 decibels. Well, I'm pretty sure I can get them louder than that because obviously without blowing, because these Roths are the same and I got them to look 100 without them blowing or getting warm. 100 volt line transformer can do 30, 15, 8, 4 watts or 8 ohms. So yeah, I'm pretty kind of quite scared about this actually, because on there it says silk dome. Well, first, obviously I like the silk dome. The silk dome looks better, but that's like I don't know. Yeah, right. But anyway, it also said they were 55 watts on eBay, so that's even better. And I think that was it, but I'm not quite sure. Yeah, and it said 4 ohms. So, yeah. So, I got it in the white, and it's a Studio 40 line with transformer, as you can see. Tape is already took off. I've just done that. No, I didn't. I was even checking. I can't lie. So, sorry. We've gone so silent. What the hell? I actually don't know why it is so big. That is actually humongous. That is really humongous in real life. Oh my god, that's like 8 inch. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't know how I'm going to do this one-handed. Got my dad's, but we kind of share it if he needs it. It's my dad's anyway, but he shares it. Well, it was his. He bought it, so he can share it. It's no problem. I can't cut with this though. I don't. Okay, I'm gonna need to put the phone down for this. I'm sorry, guys. I had it for some years, so it is a bit blunt as well. But I'm flabbergasted why these are so big, because this is a bit they're not that light either. Silk dome, yes, they're made a bit cheaply, but that don't matter as long as they sound alright. Bit of plastic cover in there for some reason. I don't know what that's for. And is there even a subwoofer in there? I can't see anything. But yeah, so it seems a bit. Yeah, it's got some heft down there. It's got some sort of speaker in there. I don't know what it is. I'll have to check that out in a minute. There we go. It's got all of these. It's at 30 watts right now. Yeah, so I changed that. But whilst we're, I do want to actually check if it's got a speaker in, because I'm a bit mind boggled, or whatever you want to call it. Okay. Okay, so it turns out I can't take it off. But yeah, so 8 ohms, I'll give it a little test and then I'll be back.
On the top, on the top, on the top. You motherfuckers! This some Detroit shit!